Guys, what's up now? Actually, I was up, kanina. I was up kanina, and then, I think, you know how the cops song? You know, you don't know how? Now, I will teach you how to play cop song. So, wait lang. Okay, I will teach you how to play a cop song. So, let's see. Iusod ko lang kayo para makita niya. Ayan na. Ayan na. First one, clap. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Clap. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And another. 1 clap. Move the clap. It is more difficult. Okay, let's do it another once more. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1 clap. Clap. Pull it. Hold it. Tap. Tap. Let's try another one. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Clap. Then, okay. Let's try it more faster. Okay. If you know how to play cop song, please subscribe. And I'm so thankful that you know it now. Let's try another one with a song. Do you want any song? Kiss You from One Direction. Let's see. Okay, wait a minute. Do you know how? If you have a cup like this in your house, please get it. Let's try it. Let's play it with me. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, I just wanna take you anywhere with you tonight. We could go out any day, any night. Baby, I'll take you there, Baby, I'll take you there, yeah. Oh, tell me, after the love on. We could kiss, anything that you want. Baby, just shout it out. That's the song. Thank you guys. Once again, I'm Bianca Sofia B. Alcantara from Canal Binyan or South Spring. Please subscribe and please like it. I'm so thankful. Bye bye.